What's up, guys? Welcome to our walkthrough of this 2018 Ford F-150. The giveaway ends on August 15th, so we want to take you guys around this truck, show you all the features, everything we've done to the truck, and yeah, let's go check it out. So right here we got this beautiful ruby red 2018 F-150. It has a 2.7 ecoboost engine with a Lariat package on it. This thing is beautiful. Got some retrofit source headlights on it. Yeah, and the fog lights. We added those on top of it. Got some dual rampage rims on it, 22-inch by 12-inch wide on 35-inch open country tires. Color match the springs in there. Oh yeah, she pops. Got the good old Interforce emblem right up front. Oh yeah. And we've got obviously this dope logo on top of it right here. It's our Interforce logo. Wrapped. That's wrapped. So you can do whatever you want with it when you win. Probably just want to keep it because it's pretty cool, but
it is.
Just saying. All right, we've got the Lariat package in it. But before we get to that, do you see those amp steps? Boom. And here's the Lariat package. Check it out. Got a panoramic roof on this bad boy. Some cooled and heated seats. Got the touchscreen full navigation system. Rear view camera, you name it, you got it. In the back seat, got a lot of room back there too. Leather interior. She's a beauty.
She sure is.
10-speed automatic 4x4. This thing will get you through whatever you want, you know. We've got 18,000 miles on it. It comes with a 60K warranty, so we didn't do much engine-wise on it, just so we don't avoid that warranty. So, you have a problem with it, dealer's got you, man. Yeah, brand new tires.